Welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another weekend and I'm going to share analysis on gold spot. So now this is an overall projection of the possible direction on gold for the coming week. So now this will be from 26th of December to 29th of December, and now this is going to mark the end of 2023 market analysis. So this will be the final analysis. So now I do what we call the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I go down to 4-hour time frame. Then I do the wave counts together with support and resistance lines, and also I read candles. So now this is a less than 7 minutes recording. So let's go quickly and see what are the key considerations for the trading direction in the coming week. So make sure that you watch till the 4-hour time frame, because it is where I provide a probable direction for the coming week. So now this is a monthly chart. So in the monthly chart, we see now, now we have the overall picture here. We have the wave counts here. So there's a 1, then ABC, 2 here, then 3 to the upside, then ABC 4. So now currently market is moving to the upside in wave 5. So basically today I have just adjusted this 5th wave to this region here. So basically, because I have an idea that the 5th wave is already completed to the upside. So currently we are probably looking for correction. So what type of correction are we looking here? So as we go deeper, I will talk about the possible correction we are expecting here. So basically we see we have those two static support and resistance. So now price is playing within those two regions. They are the very key levels. So basically we see now we have this level down here. Now basically price has been rejected several times, and now in November, for the first time, price closed above this level. So the candle closed above. So basically this can mark the possibility of continuation to the upside. But if you see the December candle, so it is facing some rejections. So it tried to push up, but it faced some rejections, and now it is in a sort of indecision. So because we're still left with those 4 trading days, so we can see now how those 4 trading days are going to complete the candlestick formations in December. So that's very powerful for the monthly chart. Then quickly, let me go to weekly time frame to see the key things to consider in weekly chart. So now the first thing, we see the levels. They are here as usual. The support and resistance, they are here, and the price is actually playing now several weeks. Price has been playing within a range now, within a support and resistance. So actually we have got an additional dynamic support here. So price is also playing above the dynamic support. So now also this provide information about the possibility of still looking bullish in what we call the weekly time frame. We are still looking bullish, as I said. In the monthly time frame, we still have that possibility of going up. So that's all. And also we see we have those 2 candles I talked in my previous analysis. So since price has not already moved above those 2 candles, therefore the bearish momentum is also expected now. So a bearish move is also expected, because those 2 candles here, they signal a possible move to the downside. And the last thing, in weekly time frame, now we see price move down with an ABC down, then we have ABC to the upside. So now 3 move down, then 3 move up. So now what does this mean? Actually, if you move like this, that's why today I have moved this fifth wave to this region, because I expect this 1 2 3 to the downside, then 3 to the upside, the ABC to the upside. So this probably may be the beginning of correction, and actually this will be an expanding flat. So basically, if you know the structure of expanding flat, so it will be something like A to the downside, then B to the upside, and finally we will complete with 1 2 3 4 5 to the downside in formation or in completion of wave C. So mostly we can have an overall picture of this way. So we can expect a 5 wave moving downside to the downside in completion of wave C of the possible expanding flat. So now this is an overall picture, but as I go deeper in lower time frames, I'll be providing an exact probable direction with those key reasons now. So then quickly in daily time frame, we can see the highlight. Now in daily time frame, so basically in daily time frame, now what we can see there is we have a dynamic support and resistance, and it has flipped now. This one has flipped now. It was a support, so it has flipped into resistance. So currently now we see very clearly price broken the level, and currently it is retesting this level. So this may be a clear indicator of a possible push to the downside in daily time frame. So that's very powerful and very important thing to consider. And at the same time, we see price moved down, and then we have a clear ABC to the upside. So this may mean that this ABC to the upside was just a correction of this previous move to the downside. So possibly, if this correction is deep enough, so we can expect continuation to the downside in the coming week. That's very powerful. And also at the same time, if we look on the Friday candle, we see the Friday candle has got a rejection from the upside. So this also may be an indication of a possible push to the upside, and I mean to the downside. And also we are at this key level. At the same time, we have this key level. So those are the powerful things that can mark a possible move to the downside. Then it's straightforward in 4-hour time frame. So let's see the last things in 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, we can see the completion of this ABC to the upside, and also I provided the updates now. So you have to follow the Telegram channel to see the updates now. So basically, we see a clear ABC to the upside, and also there is a retest to this trend line. So now this is very powerful. And if you run the Fibonacci, tool, you can find that now this push to the upside, it is now around 61%, or it is just 61%. It is more than 50%. So now this may be a clear indicator that this correction is deep enough for the price to continue to the downside. So that's very powerful. So now how are we going to trade next week? So basically, let's expect price to push to the downside. That is powerful. We will see price pushing to the downside. Now it may have some movements to the upside, but mainly consider this trend line. I don't expect the price to move beyond this trend line. So it may push up in any way, but mostly we can consider sells in the coming week, and actually expect it to sell not beyond this support here, because the price may bounce again up to the when it hits this support. So basically you can sell if you'll have that opportunity to around 2006. So we don't expect the price to go below 2000. So when it is below 2000, now that will be full down. So thank you for your time, and this is the analysis for the coming week. Make sure that you like, you subscribe, and also you put comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you.